All right, I made it into Costco. It is crazy. Why am I here? We have organic buffalo sauce, $8, and then $23.89.
I think it's gonna wait for that.
JBL. Okay, here we go. $70 ends on the 30th. So if you do want to spend your Christmas money, or do your shopping after Christmas, which I'm doing. So if you're still trying to get the PS5 Slim, ends on the 24th, $450. Your limit is 5. Play like never before. It does have pre-installed games on it, so yeah. The 13th black is $300. This one doesn't end till January. We have till January 1st. A little bit of January deals. Extra battery and case and a SD card. Over here, this is $430. This one does end on the 25th of December. The 8K. It's just kind of funny. Are people even using 8K on your TV? Because like my camera goes up to 8K, but I don't use it. Yeah. I don't film with it. I mean, I can, but they'll do it. But I don't know if it shows. Does it show on TV? I don't know.
Well, maybe soon. Whenever they do anything. I think they do. It's real expensive. So, I don't know. I hate how those cameras all give you fisheye. They're all big.
Well, that's 360.
So dumb. I wish
Well, yeah,
take
that's
a
so
nice
you
picture.
can move. Well, you could take a regular nice picture. I think you could change it. $80 right here, ends on the 28th of December. And the Comfort earbuds are $130. These do end on the 24th as well. So what's really funny, I saw this in Costco, you guys. Not Costco. I mean Costco. I was in Ross. My last Ross video, they had this in Ross, and I was like, how much? So here in Costco, it's $350. This might have been a tad smaller, maybe, but it was a party one that came with the microphone. It had a guitar input, mic input, and all that stuff. It was $229 at Ross. So here's $350. Originally $400. So if you do find this in Ross, I don't know. I mean, see if it works, save your receipt, take it back if it doesn't. But it was kind of cool that I found that in Ross. I didn't get it because my daughter does want a JBL, but I'm trying to look for one with a mic and guitar plug-in. So if we need, she needs to carry it somewhere, stand on the corner, make some tips. $400 right here. This ends on the 29th on this one. The 20 piece right now, the cookie press is $10, ends on the 30th. Okay, these are new. These are $29. Are these real? No. They're like silk. It felt very real. $29.99. Okay, they got the rack of pork for $4.49 a pound. This is beef whole rib, bone in, $245. This is $12.79 a pound. The beef rib bone in. I never see beef rib bone in here. The Ghost is here. The Ghost of Christmas Past. I have not seen that movie yet. Not at all this year so far. Okay, this right here is $9.97. Okay. We have the patties right here. You get 18 for $29.99. Now, if you do want grass fed, it is going to be $27. I don't see the grass fed. These are the grass fed chubs. They do have the 91% though. $13.49. We got the Johnny Pops. This is going to be chocolate dip strawberry. Okay. Chocolate gelato bomb, which is $11.49. I did share this in a different video. I need to get 6 in here. These were on discount earlier. They're $8.99 right now, and you get 16. $24.99. Look, it comes with a pretty snow globe. And on top, okay. Peppercini. And this one is $8.79. Oh my gosh, it's really crowded, you guys. I honestly don't see anything new, but if you want sun-dried tomatoes in oil, they are $12.49. Let me go back. These jackets are 30 bucks. There's so many because, you know, it's not cold here. Normally this stuff is gone. 20 bucks right here on this one on the incline, so these are on discount. Like legit, nobody is like buying this stuff. I mean, I'm wearing sweats today. I'm like, it is hot, I'm sweaty. But you know, I don't want to get dressed up to run to Costco today. It's my day off. But these youth joggers for children, they are 18. Let's just keep looking behind me. They have a two-piece set. These are 20. You have red, and they get the little legging jogger that is cute for a little kid. They have the pinks, the purples. Okay, Puma's next to me. This is a two-piece for $17. There we go. It has kind of like that speckled of color. It looks like a little confetti on like funfetti. Reminds me of funfetti frosting. I know, I don't know why. Maybe I'm hungry. I'm not even hungry, but you know, that's what it was like, oh, funfetti. Okay, and these Puma sets right here are $13.99, and it is a 3-piece. More Pumas, and they also have it in black. Behind me are 18 bucks for a 3-pack. Here we go, so what it looks like. A little floral action. Boys, astronaut. I like the flannel and the thermal. These are cute. These are 18. They also have a dinosaur one. These are kind of cute. These are shower curtains. $21.99. $21.99. Like a nice baby blue one. And a 17. I might end it in the book department. Just like, well, you know, I might swing by the hygiene department to see if there's anything new. Wimpy Kid Cabin Fever. I don't know how many Wimpy Kid, but I only like the original. I wish they did more with that same group, you know. That looks so funny. $15.99. What's moving? I don't know. Well, before your parents lose their wits, it's time to do the bedtime blitz. That's actually kind of funny because it just makes you think of that song. That's a cute book. They have puzzles right here. $13.99. A lot of story blocks with the Disney. $15.99. There's the Minnie, of course, Mickey and Minnie. $8.99 on advance. The $15 on top on your floss. Listerine right here is $14.50. The purple one, which I do love, is $18. And right here, this is $35. Okay, you guys, I got to head on out. I made my husband to just do, I don't know where he's at in line. Hopefully he went to self-checkout. I just bought like the mac and cheese thing, and like I'm gonna try that loaded mashed potato thing just to have on the side, because like I've literally ran out of time. I'm gonna have to go to the grocery store later at night, but I haven't even started baking, and normally we bake. And I haven't. I felt very, very terrible, like work and everything and everyone's schedule. It's just like, didn't realize how close we were. $13.99 on the shower steams. These are my favorite. I definitely would go with these. I do love the Vapor shower steamers, but yes. And these are $10.29. I just threw a whole bag away because I found them. I found them behind my daughter's bed. They were half gone. because like everyone was sick, so I didn't know how old they were, and I'm like, why are these behind your bed? And you know, got bird seed everywhere. Just threw them away. But I do need to pick up on 10/29 and 10/24. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Stay safe out there. Hope all of you get your. Oh yeah, he's up front. Cool. Okay, I hope all of you get your baking done. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.